In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change folder name in VS Code. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to rename a folder that your project uses without confusing your editor or running into file lock issues. Follow along, and I'll add context and tips so you understand not just what to do, but why. First, close Visual Studio Code. This is important because VS Code may be watching your files and folders in the background. If the editor is open while you rename a folder, extensions or background processes can momentarily lock files or cache paths. Closing the editor ensures the rename happens cleanly. Before you exit, make sure you've saved any open work so nothing is left unsaved in the editor. Next, find the folder you want to rename using your operating system's file manager. On Windows, that's File Explorer. On Mac OS, that's Finder, and on Linux, it's your preferred file browser. Navigate to the parent directory where your project lives and locate the exact folder you plan to rename. Take a second to double check you've got the right one, especially if you keep multiple similar projects or versions. If other tools, scripts, or tasks point to this folder's path, be aware that changing the name changes the path they expect. With the folder selected, press F2 on your keyboard. F2 is the standard rename shortcut on many systems and in most file managers. Make sure the folder is highlighted first, then press F2 to activate the rename field. If nothing happens, confirm the folder is selected, and if you're using a keyboard where function keys are media keys by default, you may need to hold the function modifier. Once the rename box appears, you're ready to edit. Now, type the new folder name. Keep the name clear and consistent with your project's conventions. Many developers stick to letters, numbers, hyphens, or underscores to avoid issues with tooling that doesn't like spaces or special characters. Be mindful of case sensitivity if you're working across different operating systems, since some environments treat uppercase and lowercase as different paths. After typing the new name, confirm the change by pressing Enter. Your file manager should show the updated name immediately. That's it. The next time you open your project in VS Code, you'll see the folder with its new name, and the editor will treat it like any other directory. If a workspace or script still points to the old path, you'll just need to point it to the renamed folder. By closing VS Code first, locating the correct folder, using F2 to trigger rename, and entering a clean descriptive name, you've completed the change safely and cleanly.